Hi, my name is Sheetal. I live in Bangalore, India, and I follow a lot of Japanese philosophies to make my life better. And this vlog is about that. So, welcome to my life. I start my day with feeding my cat. He runs like a metro train whenever I take his food to his place. And then he just looks so cute while running. Chunky little cutie pie. तू नजर न लगे मेरे बेबी को. Okay, I also like to place a little ऐसे छोटे से mats to make him feel special because he should also feel nurtured. Every child should. And then I go out, soak myself in the sunlight, and auntie लोगों की थोड़ी gossip भी सुन लेती हूँ. I also look at my plants every day. Like, I do this every day and I find it meditative. I don't care if you don't believe me. I love looking at my flowers. It's like I have a journal of all my flowers. कि कौन सा वाला bloom किया है, कौन सा वाला गिरा है. I notice all of that and it just gives me happiness. Like looking at the garden decor. So in Japanese philosophy, it's known as Zen garden. Mine is not that Zen. Like, I'm working towards it. I will make it much more prettier, but for now I like it. Second thing I do is cleaning of basic things like my dining table where I also work. So I just clean it, and cleaning is not just for the physical space, it's for your mental clarity as well. To clean spaces and to maintain aesthetic spaces is not OCD for me, it's meditative. Like also to play with little cute pink things. These days I've been obsessed with pink, so you're gonna see a lot of pink stuff in my vlogs. I'm just obsessed with pink. I have become that girl. So my cat's name is Shiro, by the way. I forgot to say his name. Right now he is licking his face after having food. Now it's time for me to prepare my breakfast. I'll start with making lemon tea because I'm very sick. So basically it's lemon ginger tea with a lot of pudina leaves and cinnamon and a lot of black pepper. It clears your sinuses, and I have pneumonia right now, so I am drinking this tea day and night. It's really nice, it's tasty. I add a lot of lemon and honey for the taste, and it just clears my sinuses in the start of the day, and I'm able to go about my day very nicely just because of this tea. So along with drinking this tea, I do my journaling in the morning. It's not something that I do every day, but because today I'm sick and I feel I should give time to myself, I did that, and I read some magazine in which I found jewelry with cherry blossoms. Too cute. Little Shiro never meows. He just sits. Okay, now I'm making my breakfast. Starts with dalgona coffee ka preparation, and then some last night ka rice. I'm adding some soya sauce, chili oil, and basic sauce to make my special sauce and eat my rice with it. It's my guilty pleasure, but it's also very tasty, and you can eat soya sauce if you are sick, especially if you have any respiratory issues. Soya sauce is nice. Because I can't have cheese right now, I make this Japanese omelette. I love it because it's half cooked and it tastes like cheese. I'm not even kidding. This half cooked Japanese omelette literally tastes like cheese. I'm not allowed to take dairy, so I'm having oat milk with my coffee. Trust me, this rice that you just saw here, it's amazing. It's life-changing. It's not even fried. There's like way less oil in it. It's good. And please don't judge me for eating rice in breakfast, because if you judge me, then you're judgmental, and don't be judgmental. Please don't judge people. So my friend came to see me because I was sick, and she's so cute. She came and she's drinking. She was very pissed off from her office things, and she demanded a palak paratha, which is also known as spinach paratha. Spinach is palak. So I'm making spinach paratha for her, which I will not have because I'm sick. I'm not eating atta. I'm not taking wheat due to my sickness. I think she likes it. She does.
मैंने अभिषेक को भी लेते
After
हुए
that,
देखा है।
I took some steam with a lot of pudina leaves. Yes, no medications, just pure pudina leaves. This is Shiro, by the way. When he was a little kid, he used to look so cute. And I was obsessed with his blue eyes, by the way. For an early dinner, I had ramen.
Okay,
No,
bye-bye.
not the way you think. I mixed a lot of turmeric and ginger in it. You can see the ginger on the left. And it did the trick for my sinuses. And I took the super spicy ramen to make myself feel better, which is why I also got my nails done. You should do things that would make you feel better, like a heavenly bite of brownie, you know? Like, why not? Eat it, bitch. Thanks for hanging out.